Alright guys, welcome to this episode of LHI Productions. In this video, I'm going to be making this spiked club out of this old handle and some 3 3/4 inch 20D nails. There was a little clip from intro videoed earlier on the spiked club. Forgot to mention a few things like the Grey Heavens music was used in this. They're a Christian band. They have a YouTube channel, and there will be a link in the description to each of their songs I use, and at the beginning of each of their songs there will be a little tile overlay telling you which song it is. So just thanks to them for the use of their music. So I just hope you enjoyed the video and learned a little something from it. Alright, so now I have to hand saw through this thing because the miter saw is not operatable. It's not operatable right now. So I'm just going to have to hand saw through this, but thankfully it's not too thick, so let's just get the hand saw. Alright, I got an old belt on here that was probably like 80 grit, but now it's real not 80 grit. So I'm just going to go over this and try to rip off all this old paint that was on here, maybe even try to round off these ends.
Met a ghost of a king on the road when I first fell. Fire burning to my knees I fell. Met a ghost of a king on the road. Words of fire. He said, you are a lonely soul with a heart of stone that rakes against your thirsty bones. Such a lonely soul.
Alright, so my handle idea is I'm going to drill a hole right here to then have some paracord, put through that hole, and then just wrap down. I'll show you the wrap in a minute.
I can show you where you say you but we need to go where no cherry
Alright, so I got this other hole drilled. So now I gotta try to get these two ends through here. I got my foot. And by drilling them far apart, you have it where I don't have to tie a nut on the end because it catches right there. That was the idea. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this and use these two notches as my guide that I cut. And just I'm gonna spin this all the way until I get all the way to the end, and then I'll drill another hole, 2 holes down there, and put it through and tie a knot.
where the river meets the sand. There is water there that can quench your thirsty bones and make you well, make you well.
Alright, now I gotta go drill a hole through here to stick these through. Alright, so I drilled these 2 holes. Now I'm just getting that little bit of crud off. They ran through at the end, but that's kind of how I wanted them to. Got these 2 ends through and got it all wrapped up. Now I'm just gonna pull this. Okay, now I gotta cut this off and then burn it. Okay, take this propane torch. I love this thing. Still the same propane canister that it was whenever I did that horseshoe nail video. Okay, and I'm going to change back to that drill bit I had to begin with if I can. I'm going to start up here and I'm going to start drilling some holes to put those nails through. Okay, they don't go quite through, but that's kind of how I was wanting it. I don't want them to go all the way through. So now what I need to do is I need to go grab my pencil, this ruler, and draw a line. So that I can follow it. I want one about every 2 inches, so let's see. I'll do 1.5, so there's one there.
for a trace of the riverside, but restlessness was my pride. And then we came upon a golden shore, but the voice of fire wasn't coming from a ghost no more. My heart of stone came alive when my eyes were opened up, and I saw that I had come where no chariot can take you, where the river meets the sand. There is water that can quench your thirsty bones and make you well, make you well. So I knelt beside the river and I drank until
Okay, now let this dry. Alright, so the next step is going to be fighting with these nails to get them sharpened. And what I should have done is I should have taken these, put one nail in, sharpened it, put another nail in, sharpened it, so that I wouldn't have to fight around all these, but I did not do that. So now I get to fight with this and try to get all these sharpened. But when I do, I'm not sure if I'll put, I'm going to put at least a few in here going crossways like that, so that if I hit like this, it won't just be a flat side, and so that I'll have some spikes, but I don't want to put so many in there that I make it super weak so that it'll break on me. So I'm not sure what I'll do there, but for right now I'm just going to try to get these nails sharpened.
I drank until I died. There's something in the water must have brought me back. It brought me back. It brought me back to life.
Alright, now I'm going to put in these nails. I think I'm going to do what I said I should do last time and sharpen this one and then put in another one so that I don't have to work around so many. It'll make it a lot easier. So I'm going to go ahead and sharpen this one. Alright, so let's just cut to me having every single one of these nails in and glued in, everything sharpened up, and then I'll do something really cool to it to make it look really nice. Alright, since it's raining, I'm just going to have to talk really loud since this place has a tin roof on it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take this, I'm going to burn it. It's going to make it look really cool with the black contrast to the white wood. So that'll make it look really kind of nice and dark, more like an evil weapon. That gives it a nice cool look. I'm probably going to hand sand these vinyl covered screws off. I should have got some that weren't vinyl covered, but I didn't really realize they were until I'd already bought them. So I might hand sand that off, I'm not sure, but it's pretty much finished right now. So I cannot wait to test this. I won't be testing it now because, as I said, it's raining, but it'll be super fun to test this. So y'all will get to see the test now. Alright guys, that's all for the testing. It's definitely dangerous. It bashed in the head of this bottle. There's some big holes there, there, everywhere. It was Really fun to test it. This is actually a different day than the other tests that I did. This is just one last ball I wanted to smash because I didn't feel like I had enough stuff. But that's all for the test, so now we'll go to the outro. Alright, that is all for today. Thanks for watching. It was super easy to build. I mean, you could go try this. It would take you very little time. The belt sander was only like 50 bucks. Got it from Harbor Freight. The belts are like 10 bucks. This cost me 5 bucks because all I paid for was the nails. The test was really fun, getting to smash all those different things, the squash and those different Coke bottles, getting to crush them a little bit, just getting to have a little bit of fun with it. So that's all for today. I'll see you in the next episode.